Champion in the 10th annual Living Skies Come Alive International Fireworks Competition in Moosomin, Canada. And now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes in the sky as we bring to you this year's closing exhibition from the co-presenter of the Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition, the Philippines' very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated.
It's getting dark and we've reached the end. We've come a long way together, you and me. But I'm looking at all the colours in the sky as the sun is setting over the horizon, and I'm feeling like this is the end of an era. The end of an old era and the beginning of a new one. And that's okay. So be in the now. Feel the last touch of light as the world turns again. Sense the cold chill of the wind against your skin. Watch the lasers dancing through smoke on a stage far away. Feel the bass racing across the desert night. Tonight is tonight. And tomorrow we'll wake up and ask each other, where do we go from here?
Mga kababayan, turn up! I'm a kabukera, I'm a kabukera. Lalaka na ala beauty queen, aura ko'y will make you scream. Ganda kong nagniningning, lalo kang mapapatingin. Di ko na kailangan na magpaganda, dating ko palang panalo na. Di ko need ng filter sa camera, naturang ganda ay bandera. Di ko kailangang sumabay pa sa uso, ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. I'm a kabukera, ganda ko'y irarapa. Di magpapati nagsasasabihin ng iba. I'm a kabukera, umaapaw ang karisma. Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iba. I'm a kabukera, I'm a kabukera. Handa kong abutin ang standards na sinasabi nila. Ano man ang iyong gawin, talagang may masasabi sila. Sagutan mong guro at kumuhay na parang reyna. Ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. I'm a kabukera, ganda ko'y irarapa. Di magpapati nagsasasabihin ang iba. I'm a kabukera, umaapaw ang karisma. Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iba. I'm a kabukera.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa tingin at ang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Pangit kong inisip na madala. Napintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Follow your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world.
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pagkapit ko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa Kampanang yayanig sa bawat nilalang Magigising ang lupang kulang sa dilim Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to Tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan Uukit ka ng bagong daan
Ikaw ang aawit ng kaya mo to Isang panalangin sa gitna ng bulong
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim
Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim
Liwanag sa dilim Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim Ang bagong awitin Liwanag! Isigaw mo sa hangin Tumindig at magsilbing Liwanag! Liwanag sa dilim
Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim
used to be. Here, take it. Now I'm awake. I'll tell you what I see. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are so real, you are so rare. I see you there, I see you. I see stars, so many stars tonight. You could make diamonds dull. You are so beautiful. I see stars, you shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. You're all stars. See, I went low, not high. That was my problem. Mine. Don't be frightened like me. The darker the night, the brighter you shine. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are on fire, you can rise higher, up in the sky. Enjoy the view. I see stars, so many stars to fly. We can make diamonds dull. We are so beautiful. I see stars, we shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. We are so real, we are so rare. We see you there, we see you. We're all stars, we're all stars. So many Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasudlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangaakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sa masisiglang indak, mga puso'y lumilipad.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole road party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen.
This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check it out, you feel it, bass, throw it out that. The world keeps stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of BBC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang
Philippines' very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight for an exciting show of world-class entertainment through fireworks and music, only here at the SM Mall of Asia. The 11th Philippine International Pyro